Hello everybody, welcome to A Crafter's Story. It's Celeste here. So in the last video we did this negative painting, this negative space painting, and I've decided to put a couple of lines in here so there'll be a little bit of journaling space. But on this side I want to put a pocket. What I don't want to do is put something that covers the artwork, because I feel like, that would just be a waste to me. It would be a shame. And so what I've done is I've taken a little bit of plastic and I've cut it out and covered it with some fabric, and I'm going to paste it down here, and that way this page has some function outside of just being decorative, while it can also function as, and I don't want to put this in, I don't want to glue it down yet because the glue is not dry, but then it can act as a little pocket for a tag. And so this is the tag that I chose, and so it's going to sit something like that. So I did make this on camera. I thought I was on camera but it wasn't filming, so I'm going to remake this little guy just to give you an idea of how I put it together, and show you what I used. So I had a piece of what I call a blister pack. I think that's what they call these when you buy something and it comes in a plastic container like this. I'm going to cut out a piece of the plastic over here, nice smooth piece, but I'm going to do it with the sound off, because it makes the worst possible sound. It's super loud. And then I have some fabric here and we can glue it all together. So get started with just cutting this out. Okay, so I made this one. As you see, it's done. It's full of glue and it's still very wet, and I unfortunately did manage to get quite a bit of glue onto the plastic, so I did the same thing here. Once this is dry, you can take a Q-tip with a little rubbing alcohol and come in and clean it up. So it's not a problem. I did try and use a little hand sanitizer, but I think there's gel in the hand sanitizer and it made some streaks. So just plain rubbing alcohol with a Q-tip, you can come in and just clean up your plastic. So I'm not concerned about this, and I think I should wait until it's dry before I take off any more excess of this yellow ribbon. But for now, I think let's put that aside and get this onto our page. Going to put a little bit, just a little bit of glue, and I don't want to put too much, and I really just want it on the edge here, because I want to make sure that my little tag that I've chosen will fit, and it is, I think, going to be a slightly snug fit, so the less glue I have here the better. Do it. And where should we put it? I really do like this daisy kind of flower here, so I think I'm going to put it above that, just kind of smack in the middle there, like that. And let's clean up some of this glue. I'm just going to, it'll dry clear, so I'm not worried about it sticking out a little bit. I don't want it to be, there to be too much. Okay, let's clean that up and give this a minute to dry, and think I'm straight. Yep, just like that. And then I will come and put hope that I still can fit my little insert. There you guys. So this one is finished. It's drying. It's not quite dry yet, and I definitely messed up quite badly with some of this glue. I'm going to be spending some time getting rid of a lot of this glue, but this is something I can do later. I think for now, let me just concentrate on this little guy. It is all nice and dry, and it does allow me to put this tag in, so I think maybe another tag would be better, but for now this is the one I think I'm going to use because it fits. Maybe because it fits. So there it is, all done. The tag works, the little pocket works, and when I pull the tag out I still see the beautiful artwork through the plastic, which was the main idea. So there you go. Thank you very much for stopping by. Thank you for joining me on this adventure, and I will see you next time. Bye.